Hello children, welcome to Little Bird English School. Today I am going to teach you subject Max Standard 5th, chapter number 2, Shapes and Angle, part 2. So student, open your page number 22. So student, here given a picture. Sukhman made this picture with so many angles. Here we have many angles in this picture. Now, here is some task are given. So first, right angles with black color, right angles with black color, angle which are more than right angle with green color, or angle which are less than right angle white with blue. So student, in this picture let's define first right angle. Now come to the picture. All of you know that what is right angle? Yes, right angle is, which means that make a picture of L. All you know that right angle is mean that will be shape in L. Where are shape in L? We find. It's called a right angle. Where is the shape of L? In this lady finger, L shape. It's called a right angle. And right angle in this horse leg, right angle. Find out where is student? Yes, in this lady's cloth, right angle. So this is a right angle. Here in this picture we got another right angle in the shoes of, here right angle, and then angle which are more than right angle with green. Where is a more than right angle? Find out. Let's find it. Yes. I got in one. In the cap. Right angle. And where here is a horse neck. More than right angle. Now third, angle which are less than right angle with blue. So student, find out where is a blue. Here you can got this. Here we can got this all are less than right angle. Here we can got this all of angle made by less than right angle. It's a what? It was a very interesting activity. Now, draw anything of your choice around the angle shown. Also, write the kind of angle it is. The first one is done. Yes, it is the shape of a L. It means right angle. All of you know very well. So it is a less than right angle. It is a right angle. It is also right angle, because this is shape of L shape. Now here is a more than right angle. More than right angle. Less than right angle. And it is also less than right angle. Did you get it, all of you student? And the next page, some activities are given. This activity do your own self. Take a square shape of paper, fold it half, fold it once more and press it. Open the last fold so that this sheet is a folder in half. Take one corner and fold it mid to dotted line. On the paper you will find the line making a right angle, an angle less than right angle and an angle more than right angle. So student, in this paper we will get right angle, more than right angle and less than right angle. Look for the each angles and mark them with the different color. In this activity, can you make these angles? A right angle with your hand, an angle less than right angle with your leg, an angle more than a right angle with your arm, an angle more than right angle with your body. Try them out. It's a fun. Draw them in your notebook using stick triangle like this. Okay. Student, this is your homework. Draw all of you this picture in your notebook and find out different shapes. Okay.